Hey lady, said the conductor, aren't you ready to get off? This is as far as your 30 paisa takes you. Okay, so the conductor, when saw Wali sitting in the bus only and all came out of the bus, he told Wali that with 30 paisa you will reach here only and you will not get off the bus. Okay, and what about Wali? Wali said, no, I'm going back on this same bus. She took another 30 paise from her pocket and handed the coins to the conductor. Another 30 paise for going back to the village, she just took out from her, we can say, pocket and gave to the conductor. Why? Is something the matter? The conductor is confused here. Okay, he thought that Wali would go to the town and she would go anywhere, but when he saw that Wali was sitting in the bus only and she is going back, he was also surprised. He asked Wali, is there any problem? She said, no, nothing is the matter. I just felt like having a bus ride, that's all. Okay, Wali told that I just wanted to have a ride on the bus, that is why I came by the bus. Don't you want to have a look at the sights now that you are here all by myself? Oh, I would be much afraid, too afraid. Okay, so conductor told, you will not go out of the bus and look at the sights, look at the things. Okay, now you are in the town. Wali told, all by myself means I will go alone. No, I am afraid. Okay, greatly amused by the girl's way of speaking, the conductor said, but you were not afraid to come in the bus. Conductor was completely shocked. He was surprised when Wali told that I will go to see the town alone. Okay, means she was afraid to go alone to the town. Okay, so conductor told, when you came by the bus, then you were not afraid. Okay, so what about Wali? Wali said, nothing to be afraid of that, she answered. Okay, means if I came by bus, there is nothing to be afraid of that. But she was afraid to go out of the bus and see the town alone. Okay, well then why not go to that stall over there and have something to drink? Nothing to be afraid of about that either. Oh no, I couldn't do that. Well then let me bring you a cold drink. Conductor told Wali, you should go out of the bus and just eat or drink something from the shop which was there, from the stall which was there right in front of the bus. Wali told, no, okay, I can't do this. So conductor told, I will bring you a cold drink. Okay, Wali said, no, I don't have enough money. Just give me a ticket, that's all. It will be my treat and not cost you anything. The conductor was very nice to Wali. He told that I'll bring a drink for you and it will be a treat from my side. There is no need to give money. Wali said, no, no. She said firmly. Firmly means strongly. Please no, means she didn't want to take anything from conductor. The conductor shrugged and they waited until there was time for the bus to begin the journey again, to return the return journey again. There weren't many passengers. Okay, so the conductor also agreed, and this way they waited for some passengers and then they were ready to go back.